Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily crop your video in Premiere Pro. So the way to do this is actually pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is make sure your effects tab is activated down here. If you do not see this, you want to go up to the top and look for Windows. And then just go down until you see effects and you want to activate that. If this is not ticked on, you will not see this tab and you will not be able to do this just yet. So make sure to activate that first. So once you've got this effects tab open, we can just click on the search bar here and simply just type in crop. Now once we see that here, we can just click it, drag it straight onto our clip. Now you also want to make sure this effects controls is on, so same thing, make sure this is ticked here or you will not see it. So once that is on, we're going to scroll it back down a bit until we see crop. What this basically allows us to do is to crop from every single edge. So let's just say you wanted this part cut out from the left. What we'd do is we'd go to the left and we can just drag it along. As you can see, it just slowly crops it and gets rid of that. Now, if you wanted to do like a split screen or something, you could just do 50%. Then you could drag in your other clip and you could do 50% on the other side. And then you can have two split screens together pretty easily. Now, there's also a feather down here. So if we just want it a bit blurred on the edge like this, we can go ahead and do that just to make that edge a bit less solid. And it works the same the other way too. And the final feature the crop has is actually being able to mask it. So let's just say we wanted to mask the timeline like this, and for some reason we wanted to crop only this bit. We could do that here very easily. So you can just basically cut out what we don't need and fill it in however we like. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to crop successfully in Premiere Pro. If you do, please comment down below that helped you, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.